big question that most founders have when they are fundraising is, how do I fit into the investor's thesis? Now, as you know, most venture capitalists would have firm thesis in terms of what they think is the big opportunity in the market right now, and something that they would want to look at startups within those spheres, this is within those sectors. How do you fall into that? The fact of matter is, you can't choose to be in the hot thesis just by that. By building a certain startup, and that may not be part of the venture capital thesis right now. For example, as we speak, AI is the hot thing. AI products replacing services is core. Most VCs that I know of are kind of looking for solutions which are targeting those kind of sectors. And if you are building something like that, awesome. But what happens if you are not in one of those segments? What do you do then? Well, the good news is that VC thesis is always evolving. Why is that? Because VC thesis is dependent on what are the latest technologies, latest trends driven by who are the recent winners, right? Who are the recent losers? The businesses which were looking very good, but suddenly are not performing as expected. So suddenly something that VCs were very excited about, their interests move. And that is your opportunity. Build a business where, or build your conversations with venture capitalists in a manner where you help them bring their thesis to you. Now, again, VC thesis is always evolving. In about 6 months' time, the thesis will change. You can rest assured it will change. Now, what exactly it will be, you don't know, but it will change because the winners and the losers keep changing in the ecosystem, and hence the thesis changes as well. So what do? Help the VC come to where you are, even if you are not in part of their thesis right now. And when that happens, show them the performance of what you are doing, how what you are doing is bringing an impact. And if they are spending more time thinking about it, they will realize that yes, this seems like working. And when their current thesis or whatever their current view was is ceases to work, they will see what else is working, and that is the point when you should be on the top of their mind. And if you are able to do that, well, you are the future thesis. So as they say, go where the pug is going to reach. So that is where you should go. Help them build their future thesis, and the way to do that is to share with them your performance, what you're doing, and the insights that you're building on your business.